Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be practicing our sounds. Here's how we're going to do it. First, we'll say the sound together. Then I'll show you a picture of things that start with that sound. First sound. Get ready. Ah. Here we have a picture of an alligator eating an apple. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of a very sad snake. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of two turtles. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of my favorite superhero, Thor, and next to him is some thunder. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of a fun fish. This fish looks like he's having a lot of fun. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of an iguana inside an igloo holding an inchworm. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of a little monkey drinking some milk. Next sound. Get ready. D. Here we have a picture of a dabbing dog. Everybody dab. Next sound. Get ready. E. Here we have a picture of 11 eagles. That's a lot of eagles. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of a beautiful red rose. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of a nut that's a nurse. Next sound. Get ready. Here we have a picture of a crazy cow. Everybody make a crazy face. Now we're going to practice reading this sentence. Remember, finger on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. That. Again. Get ready. That. What word? That. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Is. Again. Get ready. Is. What word? Is. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Me. Again. Get ready. Me. What word? Me. And remember, when we see a period, we stop. You did a great job reading those words. Now I'm going to read the sentence the fast way. That is me. Great job today, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow.